Hello, my name is George Coulthard, and I'd like to take you on a journey of discovery made possible by the instructions left on this stone thousands of years ago by our ancestors. There was another cup and ring stone here on the eastern horizon, but it was destroyed by quarrying contractors. The cup and ring stone sites are in alignment. They form lines on the landscape. We can see our stone here below us in the woodland. The stone is known locally as the measuring stone. From here above the stone we look east along the Highland Fault and overlook Lomond and the Scottish lowlands. Then as we turn north, the Highlands come into view. The tall trees on the western skyline above us sprout from a man-made hill known locally as the Fairy Mound. We are midway between the stone and the Fairy Mound on one of the lines on the landscape. This is the Fairy Mound from the stone, which we can see rising dark against the light of the sky behind the tree trunk in the centre of our screen. As we turn north, the stone comes into view, so let's take a closer look at the stone. There are 3 rings. That's the third of the rings. A curve. We are zooming into the curve now. One of the cups lays at the end of this groove marked in the stone. Here is the cup. There are 2 cups on the north end of the stone. This is the other cup. We will see that the symbols are laid out on the stone using an ancient unit of length identified by Professor Ray Tom from a survey of over 300 stone circles. Someone has left a message for us here written in stone. As this scale model is superimposed over the stone, it reveals the geometric relationship between its symbols. The message on the stone is just like the one our time has sent into space on the side of the Voyager deep space probe, by courtesy of the taxpayers of the USA. The Voyager message was coded in the universal language of mathematics, a puzzle for anyone out there to solve and find out the location of its authors. The message left here is a similar puzzle, just as if we'd picked up the Voyager probe from a soft landing after its voyage. We can see that the symbol relationship model shown is half scale. The model indicates the sophistication of the puzzle that was left for us to solve. The 3 circles are related by the geometrical constants pi and phi as an equilateral triangle and a pentagon. The pentagon circumscribes this 5-pointed star. We will see that this shape is found marked out at other ancient sites elsewhere in the world. We will retrace the steps taken to translate this ancient message using a modern computer. The message on the stone takes us on an exciting journey of discovery, of ancient sea kings, secret societies and treasure. They lay along the path that connects the Moon and Venus to the measuring stone on the banks of Loch Lomond in Scotland.